currently work for government of Japan and promoting gender equality in the Department of Gender Equality Bureau. It was like joining this summer school was very stimulating to me because it was everything was very eye-opening to me, especially this course mixes lots of different kinds of fields such as law, media, and economy, and art. And as a lawyer, I have some knowledge about law, of course, but it was very interesting to me to learn how to effectively change society from the perspective of media and commercial perspective, and how to deliver ungendered message to consumers. It would, all these knowledge I gained here will surely enrich my future career and my academic, because I'm planning to study in master's course next year. So this summer school has become a really good preparation for me, and I'm excited to deepen what I have learned here for my future career. It was actually my first time to study in such an international field, because this summer school consists of 15 different countries of students, and not only students are diverse, but also teachers are from many other countries, not only in the Netherlands. So especially it was very interesting for me to engage in discussions during each class, because each student has very enriching and very diverse cultural and academic background, and their professional skills. So it was very many discussions are very thought-provoking for me, because in Japan we do not accept as many immigrants so far, but it will be change in the future. So learning from other students' knowledge and law policies in other countries would be very beneficial, not only to me, but for, I think, Japan too.